Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group powered by eXp Realty. Today we're in the Heartland subdivision in Coolidge, Arizona. Today we're at 2073 West Pinkley Avenue in Coolidge, Arizona. Now before going inside, let's go take a look at the location. We are walking distance from the house on Pinkley, so of course we hopped in our cars and drove down here. I want to show you how large the community park is, so let's go. I feel like somebody had like superhuman strength. All right, we're at the park. As you see, if you hadn't sped this up, this would have taken quite a while because this park is absolutely huge. It is within walking distance of the house. And like I said, we drove over here because, you know, maybe we're a little lazy. I don't know. So we have swing sets, plenty of room for activities, a little barbecue area over there, as well as a cool little jungle gym setup for all you kids and adults that just never grew up. So what else is in the area? We have a Safeway, Sonic, Starbucks, Walmart, all within driving distance of the home. If you're looking for, as far as convenience to get to Casa Grande, if you work at Lucid, you're within 20-30 minutes of there as well. So great location. Absolutely love it down here. Anyway, let's go back to the house and take a look at it. All right, this home is 1,512 square feet. It's on a single story with a 2-car garage. The layout consists of 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's break down how this home actually flows. So this is an open concept with the kitchen overlooking the great room. The master is split from the other bedrooms, so it sits at the back of the home and the other 3 bedrooms at the front. Now this home has been upgraded and quite tastefully. So the flooring has been done throughout with the plank tile. The kitchen has a beautiful maple countertop. And the other neat thing that they did is they lowered the countertop to give it even more of an open feel. They also took out the pillar that used to divide the dining from the great room. So again, it makes it feel larger than it was before. And also with the vaulted ceilings, it will feel very large, very spacious, very entertaining. Okay, we're in the backyard. What I want to go over back here is this beautiful saltwater pool that's out here. Now you see in the video, we actually have turtles in this shot, and I'd be remiss if I didn't actually jump in, test out the water, and swim with the turtles. So here we go, folks. Woo! Nice and refreshing. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this home, call 602-763-8106 or go to my website, kevinbelzer.com. Until next time, bye.